Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In this section on storage, we'll explore different storage services provided by AWS. We'll start with S3, which is an object storage solution provided by AWS. Then we'll move on to AWS RDS, which is the relational database offering from AWS. Then we'll take a deep dive into the NoSQL offering provided by AWS called DynamoDB. Let's get started with Amazon S3. Amazon Simple Storage Service is an object storage service that offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. This means that customers of all sizes and industries can use it to store and protect any amount of data for a range of use cases, such as websites, mobile applications, backup and restore, archive, enterprise applications, IoT devices, and big data analytics. Amazon S3 provides easy-to-use management features so you can organize your data and configure finely tuned access controls to meet your specific business, organizational, and compliance requirements. Amazon S3 is designed for 11 nines of durability and stores data for millions of applications for companies all around the world. Amazon S3 offers a range of storage classes designed for different use cases. Amazon S3 Standard offers high durability, availability, and performance object storage for frequently accessed data. Because it delivers low latency and high throughput, S3 Standard is appropriate for a wide variety of use cases, including cloud applications, dynamic websites, content distribution, mobile and gaming applications, and big data analytics. For unknown or changing access patterns, we can use Amazon S3 Intelligent Tiering option. The S3 Intelligent Tiering Storage class is designed to optimize cost by automatically moving data to the most cost-effective access tier, without performance impact or operational overhead. It works by storing objects in two access tiers, one tier that is optimized for frequent access and another lower cost tier that is optimized for infrequent access. For infrequent access patterns, Amazon S3 provides two storage classes. Amazon S3 Standard Infrequent Access is for data that is accessed less frequently but requires rapid access when needed. S3 Standard IA offers the high durability, high throughput, and low latency of S3 Standard with a low per GB storage price and per GB retrieval fee. This combination of low cost and high performance makes S3 Standard IA ideal for long-term storage, backups, and as a data store for disaster recovery files. Amazon S3 One Zone Infrequent Access is for data that is accessed less frequently but requires rapid access when needed. Unlike other S3 storage classes which store data in a minimum of 3 availability zones, S3 One Zone IA stores data in a single availability zone and costs 20% less than S3 Standard IA. Amazon S3 Glacier is a secure, durable, and low-cost storage class for data archiving. You can reliably store any amount of data at costs that are competitive with or cheaper than on-premises solutions. To keep costs low yet suitable for varying needs, S3 Glacier provides 3 retrieval options that range from a few minutes to hours. So here on the AWS Documentation page, we have a good reference of the different storage classes provided by AWS. So as you can see, S3 Standard, S3 Intelligent Tiering, S3 Standard IA, S3 One Zone IA, and S3 Glacier, and the newer offering S3 Glacier Deep Archive is being compared in this tabular format. Here are some of the benefits of using Amazon S3. It provides industry-leading performance, scalability, availability, and durability. It offers wide range of cost-effective storage classes. It provides unmatched security, compliance, and audit capabilities. It offers management tools for granular data control. It offers query-in-place services for analytics using Amazon Athena. It is the most supported cloud storage service. Here are some of the use cases for Amazon S3. It's used in backup and restore, for disaster recovery, archiving, data lakes and big data analytics, for hybrid cloud storage and for developing cloud native application. So let's log in now into Amazon AWS Console. So here I'm creating a bucket. The bucket name is AWS Learning Test. So I'll go ahead with the default region. In my case it is US East. I can change the region by clicking on the drop down. I'll then click on next. So here are different options which we can set at the bucket level. We can enable versioning. We can enable server access login. For the time being, I'll go ahead with the default options. I can add tags as well to the bucket. We can also enable object level logging, which passes these details to CloudTrail for various audit purposes. We can also enable object lock, which is useful for write once, read many times applications. I'll click on next. I'll go ahead with the default settings. I'll then click on next. This is the summary of the various options I have selected while creating this bucket. I'll then click on create bucket. As you can see now, the bucket that is AWS Learning Test is now available. I'll click on the bucket. I'll now create a folder. The folder name here is test folder. I'll retain the default settings and click on save. Now I'll click on the test folder and upload a file in this folder. I'll select one of the documents, select it, and then upload the same. I'll click on next. So here the default owner of this object is the account owner. We can also provide access for other AWS account on this object. We can manage public permissions. It's recommended not to grant public read access to this object. Then I'll click on next. Here I have an option of selecting one of the storage classes. I'll select the standard S3. I'll keep the default settings. We can also add the tag and metadata for this object. I clicked on next. This is the summary of the different options we selected while uploading this object. Then we'll click on upload and the object is now available on S3. For additional reading on this topic, please use below reference. So in this lecture, we looked into Amazon S3 and the different storage classes provided by Amazon S3. In the next lecture, we'll look into the relational database service offering by AWS. All the best and have a nice day. Thank you.